Here we are with a new job for a new week, and what we're doing is mainly pulling up all the pavers around that pool area, installing new pavers. So getting a start on it today, and came across something a little bit unexpected, but notice the damp patch there. It looks like a shadow next to the white pool cover. I'll come back to that in a second. I'm just here ripping up some pavers around a swimming pool to relay these pavers, and noticed when I pulled up the pavers in this area, it's leaking out of the pool. It's quite damp around. I noticed some of the pavers were damp and there's a lot of ants around the area, and just worked out why it's leaking. I'll just turn the camera around and show you. So the water is leaking out in line with this inlet here. You can see the inlet there. The homeowner has refilled the pool with water this morning, and the reason it's leaking is the water's going down through these gaps in the PVC. So once the water level goes down, that can be sealed up, and can just make sure in future to try not to fill it over that level, but that'd explain why this is leaking like it is.